new replacement, sort of an LED bulb. Hello everyone. So over here, this small bulb is basically an interior dome light for Nissan Pathfinder 2015. Of course, after watching several videos, I tried to replace it because it was already burned out. So I've changed this quite many times. If you can read it here, so it was mentioned Toshiba 12 volt and 8 watt. Small bulb, it's quite easy to remove from inside the car, and later in this video I'm going to show you how I removed it and of course how we can insert it back. And on Amazon I ordered these two guys, so this one pair and this one pair, so mainly focusing on LED bright light. uh, so to be quite honest, I'm not really 100% sure how will it look like, but of course I will show you in my other section of this video. So basically I tried to match at least this arrangement on the bottom side of this original, which is called typically called this halogen bulb, with these LED type interior dome lights. So I'll try one by one each of them, and I'll show you how the result is. And of course I'll also share the link in my comment box below. So stay tuned, and once I get back to my car, I'll install one of them, and let's see how it works. So guys, we are back in the car, and here you can see that this is the typical or the old one, halogen bulb, which is in yellowish in shape. All you have to do is just to use this minus sign screwdriver and just push it here and then pull it out. Okay. uh, so on left side I had a problem on this thing, and let me show you how I opened the previous one, and I removed this quite easily like this. Okay, so here you can see the sockets available. New replacement, sort of an LED bulb, and let's see how it goes. So we need to make sure plug they are plugged properly, and if not we may need to change the side a little bit. Here you go. As you can see, the light is pretty much bright and white. I like the light. Whereas let me show you the other one, which is quite dim and yellowish in shape. Now let me also pull the plastic cover back. Be sure to match first this front side, insert the front side like this, and just pull it away with just a push. Here you go. Of course the car is started, and the door is open, so it's not really, the button is not working fine, but at least the light is there, and pretty much good, I would say. It fell down.